Hello ladies, welcome back again to Serene and Stylish. Today we'll be talking about wigs. Every stylish woman knows having a good wig collection is as good as having a good wardrobe. Today I'll share 5 types of wigs every woman needs to have, whether you're going to a brunch, meeting, wedding, or even a romantic date. So let's keep it simple and practical. Let's begin. And the first on the row is the classic bob wig. This wig is perfect when you want to look professional and polished, like for a business meeting, an important lunch, or even a first date. A classic bob always gives sophisticated vibes. I mean, every time you see someone wearing a classic bob, the first thing that comes to your mind is boss lady. Exactly. And that is the vibe that it gives off. Why you would need this wig is because it's classic, simple, and elegant. It's great for both formal and casual settings. It's very easy to style, and it's ideal for when you want to look effortlessly classy. And there's a secret tip. If you want to look extraordinary classy in this wig, just wear a good red lipstick with it and watch yourself slay with that look. And the second wig is the body wave wig, similar to what I'm wearing right now. This is the ultimate wig for when you want something that's soft and feminine and a little bit glamorous, because this wig can be worn to several occasions. The body wave wig has great body and volume, which is perfect for almost every event depending on how you style it. It's good for date nights, weekend getaways, weddings, or even in the office when it just looks well put together. The reason as to why you need this wig is because it's versatile, which works for both formal and casual looks. The waves give you a soft, feminine, romantic vibe, and this wig is just perfect for those moments where you want to look effortlessly chic, when you don't want to do so much work on your hair. It's literally a lifesaver for such times. And number 4, the long straight wig. Think of this as your power wig, because this wig does not play. A nice long sleek wig gives off modern, classy, powerful, confident vibe. You can wear it to a fancy event, a romantic date, or even just when you want to dress up for yourself and feel confident. It is bold but still easy to wear. I mean, this is a wig that you should not be missing. The reason as to why you should get this wig is because it gives off those confident, luxurious, glamorous vibes. It gives off you know who you are and what you want. Now, maintaining this wig can be slightly complicated because you always have to keep on straightening it all the time and making sure it doesn't tangle. So make sure you get the best quality out there so that at least it's easy to maintain. And number 4 is the long curly wig. Now, this is your drama queen wigs. This is the one you wear when you want to stand out because it gives volume, curls, and it just makes you stand out in the crowd. When you think of this wig, think of dinner parties, holidays, vacations, photo shoots, or even weddings. The long and soft curls gives you that movie star looks that is always stunning. The reason as to why you need this wig is because it's perfect for glamorous events or even evening dresses. And the last one is the U-part wig. This is the ultimate wig for versatility. It blends in nicely with your natural hair, which gives the natural, effortless vibes. This is the wig that looks super realistic. You can wear it to casual events or even at home when you just want to look and sit pretty. The reason as to why you need this wig is because it's beginner friendly and it's just so easy to install, and it doesn't need so much styling. All you can do is just put it on. You can decide to style it with a headband that is matching your outfit, or even a simple black headband just to look put together. It's perfect for low-key days when you just want to feel relaxed yet confident. So ladies, these are the top 5 wigs that I would recommend if you want to have a good wig collection that is versatile and easy to wear and goes with very many outfits. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to become part of the Serene and Stylish community, kindly subscribe. Having these 5 wigs will always mean that you're ready for every occasion. Whether it's casual, professional, glamorous, wigs are not just convenient. They are a way to express your style and elevate your look. So ladies, tell me which one of these wigs is your favorite. Let me know in the comments below, and if we left one wig out, don't feel shy to mention it in the comment section so that all of us can glow up together. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and ideas to enhance your style and confidence. And if you want to become part of the Serene and Stylish community, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until then, keep it serene and stylish. See you in the next one. Bye.